Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another review from a beautiful young lady that you have seen on this channel before, and she's come out with some new items, and I definitely want to let you guys know about them, especially because of everything that is going on in the world today. For women, we need this protection. Your women, your young girls. She's got the beautiful tissue paper in here, so I'm going to put that there. Oh, I needed some scrunchies. Thank you. Actually need this gray one today. Some scrunchies here, and let's see what she sent. So she said she sent a window breaker. I'm sorry, this may be the things that she sells: window breaker, alarm flashlight, bottle opener, door opener, chapstick and lip gloss holder, and the pom-pom. So let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. I think there's two of them because she sent the black onyx for my daughter and then a men's black panther. Let me see which is which. I always love it when they throw those little treats in there. Okay, this is the black panther. And I'm going to put her card out so y'all can zoom in if you need to. Okay, so this is the black onyx for my daughter. So this is the key holder. Okay, this is the pom-pom. This is the window breaker, bottle opener, look at the pretty door opener, and it's got the little stylus thing on the front if you want to use it as a stylus. This is the alarm flashlight. And this is the lip gloss holder. And she actually put a Max Clear lip gloss in there. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. So if you guys order from this lady, there are different pom-poms. This is my other pom-pom. If y'all don't remember, this is the, let me zoom back out. Purple one that she had gave me before. I think I don't have the lip gloss holder on this one. And I don't have the door opener. But this was the purple one. Okay. And then this is the black one. Right here. That I am going to give to my daughter. Because I feel like she needs it. I showed her the purple one, and she said the same thing I said. She was like, well, I don't know if I would hit the alarm, but I want her to keep it in her car. I want her to have it in her car. Even if she takes the alarm one off and carries the rest on her keychain, I want her to have this in her car. I think it's very important if something happens to have this window opener. The bottle opener is a convenience. This, you know, we need every day if you can remember to use it. Touching these ATMs, touching these doors with everything that's going on. She's a clear lip gloss girl, so she's definitely going to appreciate that, and she's going to appreciate the color. She's not a pink and purple girl, so obviously Miss Tyra definitely watches my channel. She did perfect for my daughter. So this one is going to go to my daughter for her safety, and I really appreciate it. Let me move it up into the camera. And if you guys are looking for something like this for you or for your kids, you definitely need to check out this young lady. And I'm going to say her information at the end, and then it'll be posted. So she sent this one for my husband. This one has the Black Panther. This is the Black Panther keychain. Can y'all see that? Black Panther keychain, a window breaker, and a bottle opener. And it also has the holder. Put this here so y'all can see it. There we go. That's the Black Panther for the men. So men that watch my channel or women that have men, don't fret. She has it for the men too. It's Tyra Pierre Self-Defense Keychains. Let me give you her information. If it's backwards, I will still put it down below. Her SD shop is Dream Keys with a Z on the end. Her SD shop is Dream Keys with a Z on the end. Her email address is also there. dreamkeys1.0@gmail.com. Okay? Trying to go back down so y'all can see everything. She is a beautiful young lady. She came out with these self-defense things, and it is actually great. And she said to activate the alarm, pull the black string and put it back in to turn it off. So on the alarm, you will pull this black string and you will put it back in to turn it off. That's how you activate the alarm. I'm going to tell my daughter to take the alarm off and put it like in a zipper part of her purse, or you know that part right under the radio of your car or something like that, because my daughter will set off an alarm. Okay, she will just set off an alarm. That's just the bottom line to it. And I don't want her setting off alarms everywhere, but I do want her to have these modes of self-defense in case something happens. Okay, so these are the items that she sent to me. I greatly appreciate it. Men, don't leave the men out. Ladies, if your husband, Father's Day, birthdays, anniversaries, along with whatever gift you buy him, this is Christmas time, stocking stuffers for your sons. This is a nice gift because it gives them a way out of anything. You never really know what you're going to need. We have our young daughters going to school, going back to college. I would say college. I don't know if the alarm thing is allowed in school. Going back to college. You have people that work jobs where they're getting off 8, 9, 10 o'clock at night. You want to have some protection. You want to have your alarms. I was thinking I'll even stab your butt with this to get away. I mean, I jug you hard enough to get you to bow down so I can run. Okay? So you guys definitely check out her SD shop. See what else she has. If you have any questions, put them down below. She does watch the videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I have been to Ulta. So what had happened was Ulta sent out that 20% off coupon. And I really did not need anything. I didn't need anything. I'm trying to use up the makeup and stuff I have. I didn't need anything. But whenever they send the 20% off that includes prestige items, I try to use it because I think that's how they continue to send you more. And prestige items are the high-end items, the perfumes, the Too Faced, the Lancome, the Clinique, you know, the higher-end items, and not the, what do I want to say, department store items. So I try to use it. So I said, okay, this is my opportunity to get my Ariana Grande Cloud. It's been on my list. Yes, I still have some other perfumes I need to use up, but this is my opportunity to grab it with a 20% off coupon. Okay. Where's my receipt? I don't know where my receipt is. I think it was 20% off. What was it? Dog it. I don't think it's in the bag either. I'm trying to remember. It was 20% off. And I think you had to spend $50 or $20 off. What was it, you guys? You guys remember? Because I don't know where the receipt is. But anyways, I only wanted to spend $35. And I did. Total, I spent $35. So I got the Ariana Grande Cloud. And I was trying to get to 35. I was trying to get to 35. And I didn't want to go way over 35. So I grabbed the Take the Day Off towelettes. That can never be a waste. It can never. Let me tell y'all something about Clinique Take the Day Off. The balm, the makeup removal balm, the cleanser, the towelettes will never, ever, ever be a waste of your money. Period. Okay? Period. So I get to the register. Y'all, I'm $1 short. $1. That happens to me every single time. I can get it budgeted down, but it's before taxes. It's before taxes. So I was $1 short. They didn't have anything in this freaking store for $1 that I wanted. I didn't want another lip liner. I didn't want another eyeliner. I'm like, God, dog, what can I get for a freaking dollar? Well, I found a e.l.f. pencil sharpener, $2. I didn't need another pencil sharpener, but you can always use a pencil sharpener. You know what I'm saying? $2. So, and she threw this sample in here. This is tightening neck cream sample. Okay, she threw that in there. So this is what I grabbed with my prestige coupon. the Ariana Grande Cloud, which my girl T hit me to a long time ago, and I had it on my list. This is very, very similar to the 540 Baccarat Rouge. Is that how you say it? Baccarat Rouge. Everybody says this is very similar. People have mixed reviews. I just love it. I just love it. I don't know if it's similar or not, but I love it. Every time I go in Ulta, I spray it on me. It was on my list. It is an eau de perfume, which is awesome because I don't really care for eau de toilettes. It is an eau de perfume, which means it's oil-based and it'll stay on you. And if you do my trick of using some Vaseline or baby oil where you spray it at, it will last a lot longer. So it was on my list and I got it. I got the wipes, which can always be used, and the pencil sharpener. And this was just some necklace rope chains I grabbed from Michael's. I use these to wear my crystals and stones. They normally come with a silver or gold chain, but those turn too fast for me. I'd rather have the rope necklace chain. It doesn't turn, it doesn't clash with my outfit, and it just looks a lot better. So Michael's was next door to Ulta, so I wanted to grab those. But that is my Ulta haul, you guys. If you guys got anything from the coupon that they sent out on the prestige side, let me know down below. I'd love to know what you bought.